Johnny, do you like the stacking cups that Grammy sent you? I think that's a yes. Yeah, good job. Look at you. Great job, Johnny. Say hi to Grammy. Say hi. Good job. Hi. Hey, Johnny. This is his toy chest. And his piano that he still likes to play with. Well, thanks, Grammy, for fun toys and clothes.